Alright, so I've yet to get this thing to pulse. I've encountered two problems so far. One was with the RAM, which I'm going to tinker more with just now. And the second problem is the HDD. Now, it is seeing the hard drive, but I believe the problem is the hard drive is not communicating back with the motherboard. So it's stuck right there. So my best option is to I'm going to try to reset the machine again. If that do not work, then I have to disconnect the hard drive from the motherboard. Okay, so I disconnected the hard drive off camera. I have two RAMs in there. It should post. So let's see. Yeah, put the switch. Okay, let's see what's going on this now. Okay, reading codes, memory testing. CPU good, I think. I see CPU test. All right. Hard drive code. This should be the SSD, I hope. No, still having issues with the HDD. So this telling me it's issues with the solid state drive. Okay, so off camera, I removed the GPU to get, as well as a heat sink to get to that CMOS battery. I figured let me tackle that first, only because I put in a new CPU. Maybe some new dimmers were inserted, so let me start from fresh and see how it behaves. And it's worth a shot. Okay, so after removing the GPU, unscrewing it, untethering from the PCIe lane, untethering from the power supply, plugging it out, removing it, getting to the plate of the heatsink to, it's the procedure that gets to me sometimes. But I finally got to the CMOS battery. I booted it on, and look at what I see. I'm telling you guys that, I almost went crazy, but I don't want to speak too soon, but this is what happened. So I got a post. If you consider this a post, but I want to show this to you guys before I even continue on. It should only got me drinking some tequila. But yeah, I had to clear the CMOS battery just to be sure. Right now, running 2 RAM sticks just to be sure, because what I can remember, running 4 gave this motherboard a little hiccup. So I'm running 2 for right now. Stay tuned for more, guys.